Hey guys, quick one today. I got a drawer dovetail slide that I'm gonna fix for my buddy. This one is actually in good shape, so I'm gonna use this one as a template, and I'm gonna show you how to do this all on a table saw without the use of a router. Why? I don't have a dovetail bit. What kind of a carpenter doesn't have a dovetail bit? The kind that doesn't like doing dovetails. Table saw is gonna be much faster, and it doesn't have to have that sharp point. It'll still do the trick, just using a thin curved blade. Okay, so the piece of wood I'm going to use is a leftover piece of scrap hard maple. I'm just going to go ahead and rip the width. It's already the right height, so I just need to cut a piece out like this. And if it wasn't the right height, I could always rip that to the right dimension afterwards or run it through the planer. Using my miter, I'm going to go ahead and just slide it through and cut the length. No need to rip any more than we need to on that diagonal. I have to run the rip on the left side of the blade here, so I'm going to remove my router attachment and just be careful because it's like trying to write with the wrong hand. Okay, one side down, gotta flip around and do the other side. Got both of them done. Now I'm going to go ahead and throw in a zero clearance and clean it up. Okay, so this is the only real tricky part. You just got to make sure you get that cut deeper than it would be if you had a dovetail in there, because you got to cut that corner out and then go past it, and that should line up and fit just final right. Product, you can see it's still going to do the same thing. It just doesn't look as pretty, but no one's looking underneath the drawer anyway.
All right, moment of truth. Got Wally's copy made. There's the original that he took the template from. Let's see if it's going to work. Perfect. That's money. Thanks, Wally.
It looks like that slide repair worked well for Peter, and I hope you guys get some use out of it too. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you like DIY stuff and how to, and have a great day.